what's Chriso? What we're doing now is I've pulled out the Fat Boy. This is, I hate using it on the job, but I use it when I price because it's got a good reach on it. You know, that'll go out to 3.5 meters without snapping like that. So 3.5, or maybe even 4. I don't know, who cares? Anyway, 3.5 meters. So what I'm doing now is she wants her floor done. She has a guy that comes in and lifts them up and grinds the floor and all that sort of jazz. So it will be prepared for me when I come. She's taking off the skirtings and putting new skirtings on top of my tile. So how you measure it up is you always break it into the biggest squares you can. So what I'm going to do here is I'll measure this hallway. So we come down to here, and that is 5.2 by your width. Always go to your biggest width. So 5.2 by 1500. So you write that down. 5.2 by 1.5. The next square is 8 through here. So that's 8. 8 meters by the width. So 8 by 5. 8.0 times 5.0. So that's that whole area. You don't worry about the kitchen cabinets. You always allow for a little bit of waste. If you've got 2 or 3 boxes left over from your whole job, brilliant. Put them in their garage or throw them out if they don't want them. But it's better too many tiles than not enough. Right, so we break this down into the biggest square I can, which is that room, and it goes to that doorway. So we go 4.2. 4.2 by 3. 4.2 times 3.0. Right, there's a meter there, and she wants to go into the bathroom and the toilet the same. So you go the width, 2 meters. Don't worry about a partition here. You just make it all a big square. 2 meters. By 2.7. 2.0 by 2.7 plus a meter there, 1 meter in the hallway there. That's your whole room measured up. So then you pull out your calculator. and you go 5.2 times 1.5 equals 7.8, so you go 8. Then 8 by 5 is 8 5s are 40. 4 3s are 12. 12.5 there. And what have we got? 2.0. 2.0. 2.0. What the? Times 2.7 equals, now my calculator, what the hell is going on? It's 6 anyway, and 1. So we've got 8 and 40 is 48 and 12, 58, 60, 66, 67, 67 square meters. Add on, I allowed a little bit for the bench and that, so we need to add on about 10%. So 10% of 67 is 7, so we add that on, which is 74 square meters. And that's what I priced the job at, because that's what it takes. So there's 74 square meters. It's going to be a 600 by 600 square edge porcelain 600 by 600 tile. Yeah, so that's that. And then, like I've just shown you how to measure up a bathroom. Oh, there's Chriso. Ooh. I've got to measure up the bathroom yet, the walls. The money's in the bank. I've just finished this morning. So, yeah, it's come out nice. She is absolute tickled pink. I like it. The black tile. And the Carrara marble wall tile. See you soon. So people, that's how you measure up a floor. I showed you how to measure up a bathroom the other day, so it's you're all good to go. It's going to be not a bad floor to do, because with the skirtings off, it makes it way easier, because you don't have to be so accurate with your cutting. And it looks nicer too, because then you've got a little bit of room for movement, and your tile can move, or the wall can move, and you're laughing. See you soon. This is Chriso. Subscribe, people. I'm out to grow my channel like kick-ass. See ya.